definite no-no. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to meet with you, my friend. Hi. Hello. Well, you girls are really busy, so I'll talk to you later. Okay.
At the bed.
Do you know her? Yeah, don't you? She's cooked for everybody. From Jessica and Nick pre-break.
Pass.
Really?
Yeah.